Racing just is started, one slow out, and that is Matikas. We have Key Lager, break quick, let us start. Bawon Lancer in second, Wolfran Leofardo, while Matikas is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Key Lager by about 6 lengths. Leofardo in second, Bawon Lancer is down in third, Wolfran is on the outside port, while Matikas is still racing in last, and as they swing down the back, we have Key Lager maintaining a 6 lengths lead. Moving upon the outside is Wolfran. Leofardo is down on the inside, Matikas, while Bobon Lancer now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Key Lager maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Coming closer now in second, down on the inside is Leofardo. Wolfran is on the outside, Matikas in the middle portion, while Bobon Lancer still racing in last, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Key Lager by over length and a half. Leofardo in second. Wolfran is on the outside third. Matikas, while Bobon Lancer still racing in last. And as they swing for home, we have Key Lager by about 2 lengths. Down on the inside is Leofardo. Wolfran is on the outside third. Last 100 meters, we have Key Lager followed by Wolfran on the outside. And nearing the finish line, Jackie Jepril, Tagulaw, Sarate on Key Lager. Second is Wolfran. Then comes number 1, Leofardo, Bobon Lancer, and Matikas.
2314.